Okay, so you're wanting answers about histrionic personality disorder,
Mm-hmm.
right? And we're going to dive deep to get them for you today.
Yeah.
We're going to unpack this presentation by Luminousz Ztarr,
Okay.
which is called Thriving Past Narcissistic Abuse.
Mm-hmm.
And it seems to speak directly to your situation.
Okay, great.
Yeah. I have to admit, the word shenanigans in these materials
Okay.
really piqued my interest right away.
Uh-huh.
So to help us sort through all of this, we have an expert in personality disorders right here to guide us.
Happy to lend my expertise.
All right, so Luminousz Ztarr gives us this list of signs to look for in someone with HPD.
Okay.
Impulsive demanding, highly emotional, seductive,
Right.
and then things get really interesting.
Uh,
Speaking over others, interrupting conversations, a chronic flirt,
yeah.
instigating shenanigans,
Uh-huh.
and loving to play the victim.
Wow.
Yeah, that's quite a combination.
Yeah, it is.
What really jumps out at you is a defining characteristic of HPD.
You hit the nail on the head with that combination comment.
Okay.
While many of us might exhibit one or two of these traits from time to time, it's the clustering and intensity of these behaviors that really points towards HBD.
Okay.
Particularly that intense need for attention and approval.
Yeah,
It's like they're always on stage crafting a performance to captivate their audience.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
That always on stage analogy is a great way to visualize it.
Yeah.
So how do the shenanigans fit into all of this?
Right.
Is it more than just a harmless desire to have a little fun?
It can be a bit more complex than that.
Okay.
Imagine a friend who consistently starts arguments right before you have to leave for work.
Oh, yeah.
Or someone who always seems to have a crisis when they aren't the center of attention.
Mm-hmm.
These shenanigans might be a subconscious way of generating drama to keep you engaged
Okay.
and focused on them.
Mm-hmm.
It's important to remember that even negative attention can feed that need for validation.
That's a perspective I hadn't considered. It's not always about being liked.
Right.
It's about being seen, even if it means stirring up trouble.
Exactly.
Now, Luminousz Ztarr doesn't just define the problem. They offer tools and critical questions to help people navigate these relationships.
Right.
Some of these questions are really powerful. Like, what does this person do in your life that makes you feel validated? Or how do you contribute to their actions?
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's not just about analyzing the other person.
No.
It's about understanding our own role in the dynamic.
Absolutely.
Right.
And that's often a difficult but crucial step towards thriving past narcissistic abuse.
Yeah.
Which is the whole point of this presentation.
Right.
You know, sometimes without realizing it, we might be playing a supporting role in their dramatic production.
Oh, I see.
We might be giving them the attention they crave, even if it's at our own expense. By asking ourselves these tough questions, we can start to break free from those unhealthy patterns. That resonates with the whole idea of establishing boundaries, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Setting those boundaries is like putting up a fence around your emotional well-being.
Yeah.
It's not about controlling the other person,
Okay.
but about protecting yourself from being pulled into their vortex of drama.
Right.
Luminousz Ztarr's presentation emphasizes this idea of taking ownership of our choices and actions. It's empowering.
Yeah.
Because it gives us a sense of agency even when dealing with a difficult situation.
Ooh. This has been truly insightful.
Yeah.
We've gone beyond simply labeling behaviors and really dug into the motivations behind them.
Right.
So to wrap things up,
Okay.
what would you say is the most important takeaway for our listener today?
I think the key is to remember that understanding doesn't equal condoning.
Okay.
Recognizing the patterns of histrionic personality disorder and understanding that deep-seated need for attention driving those patterns can help us respond with more compassion and clarity.
But compassion doesn't mean sacrificing our own well-being.
Oh.
Setting clear boundaries is essential for protecting ourselves while navigating these complex relationships.
Beautifully put.
Thanks.
And to our listener, if this has sparked some introspection,
Yeah.
I encourage you to delve deeper into the resources that Luminousz Ztarr provides.
They're great resources.
They offer some excellent tools for deeper self-reflection and understanding.
Yes, they do.
Perhaps the biggest question to ponder is how understanding someone else's motivations, even those that might seem frustrating or hurtful,
Right.
can help us choose our own responses more thoughtfully.
Yeah, I agree.
That's something we can all apply in our relationships, regardless of the personalities involved.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
Of course.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.